Hello class and welcome back to Vidachana. I hope you guys are enjoying the coding tutorial, and in this journey I am here with a new tutorial in JavaScript. So in this tutorial we are going to cover about document object model, which in short we call as DOM. So the topics which we are going to cover in this tutorial are what is DOM, then DOM structure, then what are nodes in DOM, then DOM elements and how the events work in DOM with the help of methods. Then we will see what properties are used by DOM and how DOM manipulation is done, and finally DOM styling. So one by one we will cover all the topics, and this tutorial is going to be a long one, so watch it from beginning to end because you are going to grab something important in this tutorial which is useful for your web development. So let's start the topic. तो शुरू करते हैं आज का tutorial. So now let us see what is DOM. So DOM stands for Document Object Model, okay, and it allows programs and scripts to dynamically access and update the content, structure, and style of a document. Okay, so with the help of definition, we can understand that DOM works as an interface between your program and the document. Okay, so with the help of this definition, we can understand that DOM is working as a bridge between your programs and your document, right? And we all know that JavaScript is a very powerful scripting language, and with the help of JavaScript we can create all the HTML as well as CSS, right, with the help of scripting language. But to do that we need some kind of interface which help JavaScript to access and update the content of a document. Okay, and for this we use DOM, which is Document Object Model. Okay, so we can say that if we want JavaScript to interact with HTML and CSS, we need a bridge, okay, and this bridge is called as DOM. Now let us see the structure of DOM.